Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out 11 very popular bob haircut ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair into a bob hairstyle, this video is for you. First up, we see this beautiful inverted bob. She does have a pop of blonde on the side, which creates a really unique style. And then we see more of a classic jaw length bob for the next haircut. And then we move into a bob haircut transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these bob hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest bob hair trends. So the stylist cut the hair just slightly around the neck. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. And the stylist also cut this just around the shoulders. Beautiful, classic, simple bob. So moving right along, we see this gorgeous lob haircut, beautiful copper toned mixed with that pop of blonde on the side. Stunning. Next up, we see a hair color transformation. So she already had a bob, and the stylist took things up a notch with this gorgeous ginger hair color. Next up, we see this beautiful blunt bob haircut that comes around the jawline. And there is another look at that classic bob. Middle part down the center. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. So she does have naturally thick, wavy hair. Wow, stunning curly bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see another beautiful blunt bob. And then we see this stunning burgundy bob haircut transformation. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.